Hello and welcome to Beginner's English Storytime. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you can keep practicing English with us every week and build your confidence step by step. This is your friendly space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English slowly and clearly. I'm glad you are here today. In this episode, you will hear clear, simple sentences repeated to help you practice your speaking and listening. You will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English with confidence. By the end of this practice, you will be able to talk about your morning, afternoon, and evening in English using natural, full sentences. Let's start together, step by step. Why is it helpful to talk about your daily routine in English? Because your daily life is real. It happens every day, and you already know the details. You don't need to search for big words or complex topics. You can simply talk about what you do each day. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat for breakfast, where you go, how you feel, happy, tired, relaxed. When you talk about your day, you are practicing real English you can use with friends, teachers, or new people you meet. You don't need to be perfect. Just try, and with practice, you will start to think in English naturally. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" If you have practiced, you can answer easily. I woke up at 7, I made breakfast, I went to work, I had lunch with a friend. This is a real conversation in English, and this is your goal. Now, let's begin with the morning. Repeat each sentence slowly after me. Pause if you need more time. I wake up at 7 in the morning. Sometimes I get up earlier if I have many things to do. I sit on my bed and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and legs. I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. I take a quick shower if I feel sleepy. I put on clean and comfortable clothes. I walk to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs for breakfast. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk and fruit. I drink a cup of coffee or green tea in the morning. I check my phone and look at my schedule for the day. I pack my bag with my phone, notebook, and keys. I put on my shoes and leave the house. Now let's shadow a short morning story. I wake up around 7. I sit up and stretch my arms. I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face and feel awake. I put on clean clothes. I go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. I drink coffee and check my phone. I put on my shoes and leave for the day. Repeat this story until it feels easy. Now let's learn afternoon sentences. Repeat slowly with me. After lunch, I return to work or study. I check my emails and messages. I often have meetings in the afternoon. I work on reports or class assignments. I keep my desk clean and organized. Around 3 p.m., I take a short break and make a cup of tea or coffee. Sometimes I eat a small snack like fruit or a biscuit. If I have time, I take a short walk outside. I listen to English podcasts while I walk. I read a short article in English. I repeat new words out loud to practice speaking. Before I finish work, I check my plan for tomorrow. I write down one new English sentence every day. Now, a short afternoon story. After lunch, I return to my desk. I check emails and write down tasks. I attend a short meeting with my team. Later, I take a break and make tea. I listen to English while I relax. Before I finish, I review my to-do list and prepare for tomorrow. Repeat this story for practice. Let's move to the evening. Repeat with me. I come home in the evening and take off my shoes. I sit down and rest for a few minutes. Sometimes I listen to music to relax. I prepare dinner or order food if I am tired. I eat dinner at the table with my family. We talk about our day during dinner. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and wash the dishes. Sometimes I go for a short walk after dinner. I take a shower before bed. I brush my teeth at night. I read a book or listen to calming music before sleep. I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. Now, a short evening story. In the evening, I come home and rest. I prepare and eat dinner with my family. We talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I take a shower and brush my teeth. Before bed, I read a book. I go to bed and sleep well. Now it's your turn. Think about your daily routine and try to speak in English. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do before bed? Try to speak in short, clear sentences. It's okay if it's simple. 0. The goal is to speak, not to be perfect. Great job today. You listened, repeated, and practiced 100 daily routine sentences in English. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Speaking English daily helps you build confidence, vocabulary, and clear pronunciation. Come back to this episode often. Listen again, repeat again, and add more details each time. You are not just learning English, you are living in English. This is Beginner's English Storytime, and I'm proud of your effort. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.